I hope you're ready for a very intense 5. Let's go. Etana has gone off on VP Records. She recently accused them of sabotage and unethical business practices. All this in relation to the release of her single, Mirror. Boy, I hope it's sorted soon. Trust me. A new rising star has been crowned. Huge congrats to Ramon Watson. What a voice. Support the stars, guys, cause they're bad. Ministry of Health has shut down Crab Circle in Heroes Park. I'm not gonna say anything else. Happy belated birthday, TJ, and loving your gift to yourself. TJ bought a house to celebrate. That's what we call big moves, okay? And finally holding the spot this week, kinda still on TJ. What's going on with TJ and Byron Messiah? Lots of songs throwing words like, are they getting ready for Sting? I don't know, but we'll soon find out. But that's it for the Intense 5 tonight. Follow us on IG at TVJ Intense for more entertainment. Up next, using Instagram to worship? Smash is up next. We move forward.